If you're running a Shopify store and treating every customer the same, then you are losing repeat revenue every single day. Let me ask you something. Do you actually know who are your best customers are? Who is likely to buy again? And who are never going to come back? Because most founders don't. So what actually happens that you end up giving the same discounts to everyone and you stop recognizing your loyal customers and slowly losing the people who were ready to buy again. And the worst part is your best customers don't complain. They just stop coming back. Now here is the interesting part. For the most Shopify stores which I have seen, they have a small group of people who drives their majority of the revenue. And in e-commerce, there is a term that 80% of the revenue is driven by 20% of the people. But those are the exact customers that are being ignored. So this is where the real loss happens. And the real truth is, it is way easier to sell someone who have already purchased from you than to acquire a new customer. So instead of chasing the new clients, we have built a system that focuses on the ones which you already have. So every time someone places an order, the system automatically looks into their behavior. It identifies and qualifies if they are a high value customer or not. And based on that, they will upgrade that customer to the VIP levels. And then instantly, they rewards them with a personalized offer. So it will make them feel value and it gives them a reason to stay back and stick with you and buy again. So let me show you how this works in action. So currently we are onto our Shopify store. Now what we are doing, we are buying one of the product. So I have just buying this, I'm just adding this to the cart. So let's add this monthly wellness also. So I have added these two products in the cart. Let's check out this. Here I'm adding some dummy email address. First name, last name. Here I'm adding any address. So I'm just selecting USA and adding some dummy address here. Then we are making the payment here. In the card number, I have added the card number, some expiration date here, and security code. So when we click on pay now, then our system will run automatically. It will identify if the customer is VIP or not, and based on that, they will provide the particular discount to that CM. So for the temp user, we have created this. So the total amount was $118. So now one email should have been sent to this for this customer. So let's go onto our email. Let's go onto our inbox. So now here is the 10 p.m. Sorry, it's 10 a.m. So at 10 a.m. we have received one email. Means we have sent one email from our of one of the support email ID. So here we can see that, hi Tom, thank you for being incredible customer. Based on your loyalty and customer support, you have earned silver VIP status at 3 weeks. Your exclusive VIP code is this. So we have generated this VIP code, and whenever a user uses this, then that person will get 50% discount off, and it is valid for 5 users and it will expire in 90 days. So let me show you if this is working or not. So let's just copy this. I have just copied it. Now I am going into the Shopify store. So now buy any product. So we have added 2 products to the cart. Let's check it out and apply the discount code here. So when the discount code is applied, then it has created 15% discount on that billing. So this is how the VIP tagging automation will work in action. So let me show you how this works. So let me first explain you how we are scoring the VIP means how we are identifying the if the person is VIP or not based on the order. So whenever an order will be triggered, then that data we will be using that data to create the total score, and this total score is calculated based on these seven factors: lifetime spent, order frequency, average order value, recent activity, premium product, product diversity, and the subscriptions. So we have given different point based on some condition and based on some slabs, and this all are going to contribute to the total possible score, and the total possible score is 150. And out of 150, how much score that particular order has been given is used to calculate the tier of the customer and the benefit. Suppose if the score is less than 40, then no discount will be applied, no coupon will be given, and no early access, and no shipping, no free shipping, and no validator. But if it belongs to silver, then 15% discount we are giving. If it belong to gold, then we are giving a 20% off, and if it belong to platinum, then we are giving a 25% off. So let me show you how this system has been implemented. So what this does is very powerful. It makes your best customer feel recognized. So they stay loyal with you and your repeat purchases starts to increase, and this is also automatically. Now instead of depending on the only on the new customers, you start generating more revenue from the customers which you already have paid for. So this is the kind of backend system which big e-commerce stores rely on, and most Shopify stores don't have it in place. Even if a small percentage of your customer come back and buy again, then that's the revenue which you were already leaving on the table. If you're running a Shopify store and you want to increase your repeat revenue, this is something you should already have in place. In the next videos, I will be breaking down how this system is going to be, and I will be also sharing similar kind of automation on this channel. So if you want to implement this kind of automation into your store, then check the link below in the description. Thank you.